Multiply 546 by 74 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 4 plus the carried 2 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 5 plus the carried 1 is 21. The first partial product is 2184. Now use the tens digit, 7. Start one place to the left. 7 times 6 is 42. Put 2 in this column and carry 4. 7 times 4 plus the carried 4 is 32. Put 2 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 5 plus the carried 3 is 38. The second partial product is 38,220. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 8 plus 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 2 plus the carried 1 is 4. In the thousands column, 2 plus 8 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 40,404. So 546 times 74 is 40,404.